Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Temprid FX is an imidacloprid and beta-Cyfluthrid suspended concentrate insecticide. The active ingredient in Temprid not only kills with contact, but it's also spread with contact. Temprid FX controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for indoor and outdoor use to control ants, cockroaches, mosquitoes, ticks, and even wood-destroying insects like carpenter ants and termites. Temprid does have a broad list of application sites, but it should not be applied to plants that are flowering or during times when pollinating insects like bees are present. Bees and other pollinating insects can be harmed by this chemical. Temprid also has some limitations for indoor applications, as it only should be used as a spot spray or applied in cracks and crevices. Temprid will control bed bugs, but it cannot be applied to bed linens or furniture and materials that come into contact with people or pets. If you want more broad-use pesticides, check out Silo for outdoor use and Fipro for indoor use. Silo controls many different species of pests, and it can be used as a broadcast spray or a spot spray outdoors. Fipro can be applied to cracks and crevices in your home, and it has a similar mode of action as Temprid. Fipro will kill insects with contact, but it's also spread with contact. This allows the chemical to spread to other pests that may not be in the treated area. Before using Temprid, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. You can mix Temprid at a rate of 0.2 to 0.5 fluid ounces per gallon of water, depending on the level of infestation and your targeted pest. Always follow label directions for proper mix rate and do not over-apply. Temprid comes in an easy-to-use squeeze and measure bottle. To measure the product, remove the cap on the smaller measuring reservoir and squeeze the bottle. Use the measurement lines on the reservoir to collect the required amount. Fill your sprayer halfway with water and then add the product. Add the rest of the water and thoroughly agitate your sprayer and you're ready to apply. Temprid can be applied outdoors over your lawn, mulch beds, and ornamental gardens, but do not apply to plants that are flowering. Temprid can be used to spot treat areas where insects may gain access to a structure, such as weep holes, vents, and where electrical and plumbing penetrate the walls. Temprid FX can be used indoors as well, but it's limited to spot spraying and applying in cracks and crevices. You can apply Temprid with either a pump sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig for large volume application. Temprid should not be watered in after application and should not be applied during rain or if rain is in the immediate forecast. Keep all pets and people off the treated areas until they're dry. Temprid FX has a residual of up to 2 to 3 months. We typically recommend spraying every 2 months for continual control. Temprid is not an instant kill. Once the insect comes into contact with the chemical, it can take a few hours for it to die. Depending on your target pest's life cycle, you may need to reapply in 7 to 10 days. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of just one product. Typically, you'll also need an insect growth regulator and bait or dust for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right for more pest control guides.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.